Good morning and welcome you all for our first Zoom session with the topic clinical leadership. And today we'll be discussing in detail about clinical leadership and all those things. And I will be sharing a PPT presentation which will help you to understand in detail what is clinical leadership, why a nurse has to be a leader in her unit that she's working, or wherever she is posted. Why leadership quality is essential in a nurse. So I have made a PPT presentation and we will be discussing in detail about the things that we had heard in the webinar yesterday. Fine. So I'll be sharing my screen with you all.
Yes, ma'am.
You all can share. You all can see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
1 second, I just closed it. Okay. So कल भी हमने ये सारी चीजें सुनी थी. We heard about the etiquettes when we are attending an online classes from Navjot Sinha. That when we are in a Zoom class, we are supposed to mute ourselves so that it is not a distraction. और भी बहुत सारी चीजें उन्होंने भी बताई थी. अगर आपको याद होगा कल. So I will request you all to just mute yourself. If you have something to say, प्लीज उस चीजों को चैट में आप डिस्कस कर सकते हैं, बता सकते हैं. एंड in the end of the class I will go through all the questions and we'll discuss on the questions and I'll be answering your all questions. Okay, so let's begin with the subject that is nurse leadership. कल जब हमने ये सारी चीजें डिस्कस करी थी, we had a detailed discussion of why a nurse being attached to a particular unit or a nurse who is working with a specialized unit has to have a leadership quality in her. So today I would again ask you the same question. Why you think that leadership quality is essential in a nurse? Anyone who wants to answer can unmute yourselves.
Yes, ma'am. Because
Ma'am, it is beneficial for the economical sides and for the patient benefits, well-being. Leadership quality is very important for the patient care and quality care provided to the patient and for the economic side.
Very good. Okay. Anyone
And,
else who have an
yes, ma'am.
experience? Yeah, please tell me.
Ma'am, I think leadership is the most important for this profession, because ma'am, leadership nurse absorbing the all teamwork and cooperatively work with the team members. And ma'am, leadership leadership nurse provide lot of knowledge to team members regarding the profession and other procedures.
Very good, very good. Anyone else who has an experience? अगर आप में से कोई एक experience भी share करना चाहे कि you being a leader in a particular unit, what experience do you have? या फिर how do you feel to be a leader? Or why do you want to be a leader? Any experience? I would like you all. आज हम discussion class रखते हैं, ठीक है? I want you all to share your experiences. जब हम discuss करेंगे, many of the things will be clearing out. So let's discuss today why leadership. Why we say that okay fine nursing to kar li, but why is it important to be a leader? Why leadership quality is essential for a nurse? I would like everyone to answer. I would like even to hear from Deepa today. Deepa, are you there with us? I think she's not able to.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it's okay, Deepa. I think you have some connectivity problem. Anyone else? Amandeep, do we have Amandeep? Okay, I would like to hear from Gurvinder.
Hello, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Gurvinder. Please share some of your experience. Do you have any experience being a leader, or you think that, okay, fine, I should be a leader?
Yes, according to me, a nurse should be a nurse should have leadership qualities to manage the critical conditions. And if I talk about my experience, a leader can be a mentor to provide effective education to the juniors, the colleagues who are working in same department. And also a leader can manage critical condition, especially when a patient in a severe condition, a patient can, a nurse can provide uh, ca- that critical condition and provide CPR to patient and can save the life of patients. And also, if there is a manpower shortage, a leader, a nurse who is leader, she can manage ward, that department with the shortage of staff by providing equal opportunities and according to their talent and their professional skills. She can manage well managed, and she also can be a good communicator, as she can interact with patients, with doctors very effectively. So
Yeah.
I think a nurse should be a leader. So she also can go other positions. She can be supervisor. Then she can be. There should be a professional growth in a leader.
Yeah, yeah, true, very true. That, yeah, when you have a leadership quality, things like life saving, a very big thing. I mean, life saving, we just say life saving actions, life saving, but how much important is life saving for the person who really wants to live, or is the person who is a victim of an accident? It's a very big thing. I hope that you all have experienced this in your clinical postings. Okay, so we have some of the experience shared by you all, and thank you for sharing those experiences. I was very happy to know. Now, let's begin with our topic, that is nurse leadership. Why nurse leadership? What is nurse leadership? All these things, right? So, I have a paper, a very important thing. Which will also help you to understand, and which will also help you to know about some things which are in your assessment. Okay, let's begin with Australia's healthcare system faces a number of complex and interconnected challenges in providing high quality, innovative, and cost-effective care into the future. These includes an aging population increasingly affected by chronic diseases, rising health care costs, technological changes, and the need to improve the equity and accessibility of the healthcare system, including for Aboriginal and Torres Straits Islander people. The need to maintain and, in some cases, improve safety and quality will be an ongoing priority. These issues are likely to play out within a context of economic uncertainty and nursing workforce challenges, as healthcare organizations and governments seek ways to contain the cost of care delivery, improve production, and recruit and retain skilled staff. This will require changes in the way healthcare is delivered, models of care, and the role of all members of the health worker. So this part of the paper shows us a very clear action, a very clear idea of why nursing is important. अगर हमें पता है that nursing is important, the more importance of our profession we understand, the more priority we give to our profession. The more priority we give to our profession, with the more respect our profession gets. The more respect, the more confidence. The more confidence, the more leadership quality. That's how things develop. So Australia healthcare team is facing or has been facing many of the problems and will face in future, like chronic diseases, rising healthcare costs, technologic changes, and the need to improve equity and accessibility of the healthcare system. ऑस्ट्रेलिया की जो हेल्थ केयर टीम है, उन्होंने एक एनालिसिस या एक सर्वे किया in which she says that there is a cost increase in providing care. टेक्नोलॉजिकल चेंजेस आ रहे हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम में चेंज हो रही हैं, जो इंक्लूड करती हैं एबोरिजिनल एंड टॉर्स स्ट्रेट आइलैंडर पीपल. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एबोरिजिनल एंड टॉर्स स्ट्रेट आइलैंडर्स? Anyone? Yes, no,
ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
So Aboriginal is basically, I'll tell you this thing and please listen it very carefully because now we all are planning to go Australia. So there they have this Aboriginal. Aboriginal is people
Native people, ma'am.
Sorry?
Maybe I think native people.
Yes, very good. These are the group of people who are basically or originally from Australia. ये कहीं से और से नहीं आए हैं, ये originally ऑस्ट्रेलिया के हैं. जैसे इंडियंस में कुछ लोग हैं जो बाहर से आए हुए हैं, कुछ लोग हैं जो इंडिया के हैं ही नहीं बट नाउ दे आर सेटल्ड डाउन इन इंडिया. कुछ ऐसे लोग हैं जो पंजाब के हैं ही नहीं, पंजाब में आके रह रहे हैं कहीं और से, लाहौर से आ गए, कोई साउथ से आ गया, कोई यूपी से आ गया. दे आर नॉट ओरिजिनल. Aboriginal is जो यहीं पले बड़े हैं, ठीक है? They are Aboriginal. So Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islanders people जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया की बेसिक रेस है, जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में ही डेवलप हुए हैं, मतलब उनके दादा परदादा वो सारे ऑस्ट्रेलिया
Yes, ma'am. Ancestors means yes.
Yeah. So that is basically thing. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You still can see me, right?
Yes, ma'am.
आपको
Yes,
स्क्रीन
ma'am.
दिख रही है? हाँ, ठीक है. तो they need to maintain in some cases improve safety and equality will be an ongoing priority. उनकी एक priority है कि हम safety provide करें, quality provide करें, जो भी हम care दें. These issues are likely to play out within a context of economic uncertainty and nursing work challenges.